Want to show your partner just how much you truly love them? Sure, flowers and chocolates, they're nice. But there's one powerful, lasting way to express your love that most people overlook. Putting them in your will or your estate plan. Estate planning might sound like something for the wealthy or something that only happens when you're older, but it's actually a deeply personal act of love and commitment. In fact, I call it life and legacy planning because it's not just about distributing your assets. It's about securing your partner's future and showing them that you're committed to their well-being, no matter what happens. So what does this kind of planning actually look like? And how does it show your love for your partner? Let me walk you through it. Let's start with something simple. Imagine you've spent years building your dream home with your partner. It's more than just a house. It's a place full of memories, laughter, and love. But if something happens to you without a life and legacy plan in place, that house could end up in legal limbo. Your partner might face a long, stressful battle to keep it, or worse, be forced to sell it. Do you really want that for your partner or for the person you care about the most? Estate planning isn't just about who gets what. It's about making sure the people you love are cared for and provided for, even when you're not around to do it yourself. A thoughtful, well-prepared estate plan ensures that your partner's future is as secure as possible, both financially and legally. If you're married, your spouse already has some legal rights to your assets, but those rights don't automatically cover everything. As I say, a marriage certificate does not guarantee your spouse gets everything. For example, if you end up in the hospital and cannot speak for yourself, your partner may not have the legal right to make healthcare decisions for you on your behalf or have access to your financial accounts, unless you've put that in writing with a healthcare directive, a power of attorney, or healthcare power of attorney. Or if your partner isn't your spouse and you haven't legally protected them, they might not inherit anything from you at all. Let's consider a real example. Imagine Mike and Emily have been partners for 10 years. They've built a life together, a home, a future. But when Mike unexpectedly passes away, Emily finds out the hard way that without a legal plan, Mike's family now controls everything. And Emily has no legal claim to Mike's estate at all, not his home or anything else. This kind of heartbreak is preventable. And it's why having a life and legacy plan in place for your partner is one of the greatest gifts you can give them. Now think about this. What if your partner isn't legally recognized as the parent of your children? Like my husband is not the parent of my 2 other kids. If something happens to you, they may not have the legal right to care for your kids. And this can be especially complicated if your partner isn't biologically related to your children as well, or hasn't legally adopted them, right? That's where a kids protection plan comes in, ensuring that your partner can step in to care for your children and protect their well-being, and even make sure that they stay in their lives if you're no longer there. It's important. It's not just about the big stuff either. It's about the memories and the shared experiences that you've built together, right? I can't even imagine my husband not being a part of my kids' lives when I'm not here. So whether it's a classic car you've spent years restoring or the vacations you've taken, these are more than just things. They're pieces of your story together, a life and legacy that you've created. So a legacy plan ensures that the shared treasures are passed on to the people that matter the most, with as little hassle and legal headache as possible. So whether you're married or unmarried, whether you've been together for 2 years or 20 years, don't wait to protect the future you've built. A life and legacy plan ensures that your partner is taken care of, your kids are protected, and your assets go exactly where you want them to go, without a fight. So if you want to show your partner just how much you love them, the most powerful way to do that is by securing their future, no matter what life throws at you. It's not just about the love you share today, but about the promise that you make to your partner for tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video or learned something from it, then you are gonna love my video on what is included in a comprehensive estate plan linked here on the screen. Go ahead and watch it, and do me a favor. Please share this video with anyone you know that has a partner and wants to protect them and cares about them. I'll see you on my next video.